Since COVID-19 began, Vanderbilt scientists and healthcare providers have been at the forefront of developing solutions to the pandemic.
Today, we look to national experts from our Vanderbilt medical community to help us understand what a new normal could look like in our lives in regard to COVID-19.
But as my mentor, Kathy Edwards, likes to say, your immune system is a lot like your mother-in-law. It never forgets. And because of that, we know that every time we see these vaccines, every time we're exposed to the virus, we're laying down a foundation of memory that will serve us better down the road.
I can tell you, I'm only sure that I convinced one person to be vaccinated who wouldn't have otherwise. And I know I did it by describing how happy I was and relieved to feel better about spending time with friends and family.
In addition to providing good information, we need to get people to feel comfortable and reassured. And it's the socially appropriate thing to do, so that as they look left and right amongst their friends, they see them also accepting vaccine.
I think we need a fresh round of messaging around why people should. And for those people who said, the vaccine just came out, so it's not safe and I'm waiting. Well, now you're more than a year into it and, we're still around. We don't have extra appendages, haven't, grown another eye. So, it's safe.